Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and if you are new here, I'm a homeschool mom to 4, and here on my channel I share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, homemaking, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around and subscribe. We are doing a Vlogmas over here, so welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you a DIY makeover of our dining room table. If you have been following me for a while as I share cleaning motivation, maybe you noticed that our table is in need of some TLC. The stain is coming off the top and it is well loved and well used. We have been talking about doing this table makeover for a while, and then the paint actually went on sale during Black Friday, so we picked it up and decided we're going to do this during the Christmas season, and we found some time. It took us a few days. I have sped up the footage and it definitely took longer than the footage, but we applied about 4 coats of the stain on the top. We went with a black on top and then white underneath on the table and the legs, and I applied about 3 layers of the white paint as well. But I love how it turned out. It's so elegant. It matches our dining room area so well with the furniture we already have in there, and it just freshens up the space so much. I'm so glad we went ahead and did it. So I'm going to turn the camera around, or add the footage, but it'll be like I'm turning the camera around. But I will show you the before, how beat up it was, and then if you stay till the end, you will see the finished table in video form. You might have already seen what it looks like from the thumbnail, but thank you for clicking on this video and watching. Let's get right into the footage of us DIYing our table.
Bright star atop a lighted tree, all wrapped up underneath, gifts in every shape and size. Toys aren't the only reason we celebrate the season. Christmas morning comes, opening It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The season of peace is finally here. When family and friends and neighbors come to call, bringing love and Christmas cheer. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The lights on the trees shine so bright. Hear carolers singing from house to house. Silent night, oh holy night. See mistletoe hanging in the doorway, inviting a secret stolen kiss. It's a wonderful, heartfelt time for everyone on earth to reflect and reminisce. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. See children skating merrily in the square. Smiling boys and girls with faces all aglow, waiting for Saint Nick to appear, to find their stockings loaded with gifts from their list. All the children of the world. Soon they'll believe that wishes do come true for every good boy and every good girl. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The happiest time of the year. The joy it can bring to everyone, young and old. A joy to last every day of the year. A joy to last the year.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play, kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. Hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. falling gentle and bright. Candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. Hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the Kiwi love. Like the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again.
Have you seen such a beautiful sight? Everyone's feeling jolly tonight. I can't wait for that look in your eyes. Feeling that. Can't believe that it's been a whole year. Now the day we've been waiting for's here. Only ask for one thing, it's you, dear. Bring on that. Everyone's counting down. So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Under these Christmas lights, will our stars align? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Maybe we'll be the talk of the town when we're taking decorations down. Tell me, babe, will you still be around? Singing that. Everyone's counting down. So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Under these Christmas lights, will our stars align? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Maybe we'll be the talk of the town when they're taking decorations down. Tell me, babe, will you still be around? Singing that fa la la la. So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Under these Christmas lights, will our stars align? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Have you seen such a beautiful sight? Everyone's feeling jolly tonight. I can't wait for that look in your eyes. Feeling that. Can't believe that it's been a whole year. Now the day we've been waiting for's here. Only ask for one thing, it's you, dear. Bring on that. Everyone's counting down. they're taking decorations down, tell me, babe, will you still be around? Singing that fa la la la. So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Under these Christmas lights, will our stars align? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true?
Alright, so that is it for Vlogmas Day 13. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe if you have not, and turn on your notifications so you know when I upload through Vlogmas. I've got lots more ideas coming your way this holiday season. Bye for now.